Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 3rd of May 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it because I post the technical analysis for the major currency pairs. And also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Now let's move towards the technical analysis. So let's get started with Euro USD. So basically I have a loss on Euro USD. I do not discuss, but overall I have supplied the bearish trend from 111614, and however it went down up to 111359, and after that it has suddenly moved up, so that's a loss at our side. Now let's talk about the good trades that we have taken today, like Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 130327 and 131059 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry we have seen a strong bullish trend on Great Britain Pound USD, and it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price. From many days the market was in a range, it was going nowhere, and we were quite bullish on Great Britain Pound USD, and finally with the grace of God we have taken the best advantage by taking the buy positions on Great Britain Pound USD. Now let's talk about USD JPY. It was into the weaker zone. That is why 200forexpips.com has predicted the bearish trend on USD JPY from 111455 and 111159 was the target price. And guys, you can see that the market exactly hit the target price with no problem. We have a big shooting star at the top, and after that the entry was break, and finally USD JPY has gone down. Now let's talk about another massive move that we have seen today on AUD USD. A bullish trend was supplied to the subscribers from 069957 and 070320 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market has almost reached near to the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on AUD USD. They must have collected the massive profits. Okay, now let's talk about another massive trade that is taken on USD CHF today. A bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 101993 and 101716 was the target price. And guys, you can see USD CHF was not going down from many days, but today finally we have received a drop on Friday and it has hit the target price. So I congratulate all traders who have taken the benefit from my trading suggestions. Okay, now let's talk about USD Canadian Dollar. It was going up from many days, but today 200 Forex Pips was turned bearish on USD Canadian Dollar from 134639 and 134267 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry we have seen the big drop. Even the scalper has pointed you with a big sell arrow at the top, and finally USD Canadian Dollar has dropped massively, and you must have taken a very good profits by trading this pair. Now let's talk about Euro JPY. So guys, this signal is still on the way. It isn't expired. I have supplied the bullish signal in case of Euro JPY from 124542 and 124917 is the target price. You can see the entry is just break. If it continues the bullish pattern like this, then it can reach up to 124917. So I am quite bullish on Euro JPY. At last, I am going to talk about AUD JPY. So guys, this is also it has kept the slower momentum. However, my signal was bullish from 78049, and if it continues to be bullish like this, then it can reach up to 78579. So I am bullish on AUD JPY, but overall if you look at the pattern, the market has kept itself in a range. Okay guys, we have done extremely well today with no problem. If you look at the things, then we have done a very great job with the signals. So now for the trading system, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain how to use this system in an effective way. Whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, and if it starts making bullish candles from the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair. And if the scalper, the scalper that gives the signal in the form of white and red arrows, if the scalper points you white arrow in the lower red boundary, that's the best trading setup. You can see after that the market has certainly moved up. And whenever you see that the market has went into the top red boundary, and if you see that the market is pumping down like it happened on USD Canadian Dollar today, then you can sell the pair. And look, you can see the red arrow was also appeared at the top, and after that we have seen another downward trend on USD Canadian Dollar. So big drop has been we have seen on USD Canadian Dollar, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, we have done a very good job with the signals, and we have closed this week in a very good manner. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, If you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye.